Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to focus on building the Snackbar components. The Snackbar is basically a component that's going to be briefly appearing from the bottom of the screen showing a message. The first thing, I'm going to create here a new component or a new folder. It's going to be called Snackbar, and the component itself, it's going to be called Snackbar. Luckily in Vuetify, we have a Snackbar component. To make sure that the Snackbar is visible, we need to bind it to the model. For the timeout, how long the Snackbar is going to be visible, I'm going to define it afterwards, color of the Snackbar, and the elevation of the Snackbar, position of the Snackbar, and the location of the Snackbar. And inside the Snackbar, we will do components. So this is the main content of the Snackbar, and we're going to bind it to the content properties, slot and actions, a normal button, and it will have the color white, variant is going to be text. When we click on this button, we have to raise an event, and the icon that we will do here, it's going to be the icon and material design and close. So now we have to define the model that's going to allow us to show and hide the Snackbar. Hence, we will define the Snackbar controller. This is, I guess, the first time in this particular project that we will talk about how to create a Pinia store. New file, I'm going to call it Snackbar controller. So basically, this is going to show and hide the Snackbar, as well as controlling other aspects of the Snackbar. I have prepared snippets for creating a basic Pinia store, TypeScript Pinia store. Properties, it's going to be called Snackbar controller store state, which is the state for this Snackbar controller. First state is the visibility of the controller. It's going to be Boolean. The next is going to be the content. It's going to be components from view, and the position. Let's create a new file. Going to call it Snackbar position.typescript. We will define the available positions to show where to show the Snackbar, and again those available positions are from main source, which is Vuetify. So we have top right, top left, center, center left, center right, and bottom left. So it's going to be nullable and Snackbar position. The next one is the auto hide duration, basically how long the Snackbar is going to be visible. Elevation, again, it's optional. The vertical position, it's going to be Boolean in this case, or undefined. The severity of the Snackbar. What I mean with severity is inspired from Jetpack Compose. We have, or material design actually, we have success, info, warning, and error. So we're going to create here the severity. So export in on. So we have success, it's going to be success. And we have info, warning, and error. So here, info, warning, and error. I need to define the severity, Snackbar severity, or it's going to be undefined. The next parameters of the components in order to make our Snackbar reusable. So whatever you want to do inside the Snackbar, perhaps you're going to make some components with props, so we have to deal with that actually. So that's pretty much it for the definition of the state. We have to initialize the state with some initial states. Is visible, it's going to be false by default. Auto hide duration 3 seconds. For the severity, it's info. Elevation is to 24, which is actually too much, but I'm going just to do 24. Vertical, it's going to be false. Position, by default, we're going to do it as in the bottom right position, as shown in the application. For the content, it's basically shallow reference, default components that we have to build. Basically, the default components gonna just have templates and empty templates. Default components. The actions, actually the methods and functions that's going to change the state of our Pinia store. So the first one is gonna be to show the Snackbar message. I like to use named parameters in TypeScript. So I'm gonna call it parameters, and it's gonna be optional. It's gonna have only a callback function on show or on visible, whatever you want to call it. I'm just going to leave it at on show, and it will give us a void here. So this is basically a callback function, and we will change the state is visible to true. We will do if parameter on show is not null. We will call parameters.show. In order to hide the snackbar, I don't know why I keep saying snakebar. So this dot visible equal false. Just gonna do some setters here. Set auto hide duration. It's worth mentioning that I would like to use builder pattern. Assign or auto hide duration to the duration, and I will return this. I'm going to set the rest of the methods. There is nothing substantial here. So I have added set elevation, set vertical, blah, 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 till set content props. And actually, I don't like this cont props, so I'm gonna change it to content props. Let's continue with the Snackbar component itself. So the model, or how to use basically the Pinia store. So it's very simple. I would like to, if you can see here in Snackbar controller, I would like to define it as use Snackbar controller store. I would like to use the use prefix Snackbar component. I will create a new instance of this Snackbar or this view model. Use Snackbar controller. So we will do simply Snackbar is visible. For the timeout, it's going to be Snackbar controller and auto hide duration. For the color, it's going to be from severity. From the elevation Snackbar controller, that's elevation. For the vertical as well. And the content or the main content of this Snackbar, it's going to be from the Snackbar controller and the content. And the props related to the main content from the Snackbar controller as well. It's going to be content props. So this is a reusable Snackbar controller that's going to be shown dynamically. And of course we have forgot here for the action. Whenever we click on the close button, we have to close the Snackbar. So it's going to be very easy. Snackbar that's close or hide. So that's pretty much it for the Snackbar controller or the Snackbar. So we have reusable Snackbar, and this is how to use Pinia store in order to create a view model. And Pinia store is going to be it's going to handle for us the reactivity of visibility, position, elevation, and whatnot. So as you can see, it's very developer friendly and it's very readable. And I think that's pretty much it for today's video. I hope you like it, and happy coding. Bye bye.